Today I will show you how to add blur to Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up the project that we want to add a blur for. So let's say for example this project. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to slice this project into two, and we're going to have the blur take effect from this side of the video. Now once you're done identifying the clip that you want to add the blur for, you're going to come to the far right, and this is for transitions, but this is for effects. You're going to click it, and once you click on it, you're going to go to blur. You're going to move this timer to the clip where you want it, and you're going to click on Gaussian. Then you're going to drag. Now you're going to carefully drag till you find the part where you want to add the mask to. Then you click on analyze. Now Final Cut Pro is gonna analyze the part where the blur should be, and it's gonna get it till it's gonna analyze it till you're gonna see the bar here till it's done. Now once you click on this, you click on done, you realize the blur take effect, and once you click on the video, you can see as soon as the effect goes on, it's gonna take effect here. Now that's how to add blur on Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.